everyone, Farm Girl here. As you know, Exoman and I have this cute little rental that we purchased a while ago, and we're always doing upgrades, trying to make it look nice, put some nice furniture on the front porch. Exoman actually built the roof over the front porch recently, so much nicer. And I am about to get rid of an eyesore and put a cute little hose caddy in over here and get rid of that ugly looking thing. Kind of ugly little eyesore right here. It'll just look a lot better and it'll just perk things up a bit. So come on, I'll show you how. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all this stuff. So we'll take the hose off of here. And ew, spiders. Actually, I don't mind spiders anymore. I used to not like them. I'm okay with them now. Alright, let me get this thing off of here. Two gone, one more. Whew. All right, we don't need that anymore. Okay, I'm gonna get my bucket. Okay, so one really good thing is that recently Exoman replaced the washers in here because sometimes people will leave the spigot on and we don't want to run it all day. Oh yeah, and he also replaced the washer on this end too, so it won't leak here either. Otherwise it could be dripping all day and we lose 100 gallons of water, so that's a good thing. I was just thinking that Exoman's going to need to insulate this pipe because it's going to get cold soon and we don't want to burst pipe. So anyway, but I think I'm just going to put it right where it was. Right? That'll be enough room to wrap the hose. Maybe over a little bit. Yeah. Put it right there? Okay, cool. Okay, so I found the location that I want and I'm gonna drill a few holes, and I'm gonna make 3 holes like a triangular shape, and that should make it pretty sturdy in here. So I think right now I'm gonna put 1 screw in just to hold it in there to start, and then I'll finish drilling the other holes in a minute. That's not going anywhere. I've got my second hole in there and drill the third one. All right, coming right along. Last one. Slipping. There we go. You can even, if you want, cut out a piece of plywood, like half of the cylinder, and it'll serve as a wall. You can screw it in right here, and then you can put things in it, and it's protected. They won't fall out. And then also you can hang things on this little baby, and you want to make sure that this is horizontal so that it hangs like that, so you can hang things off of it. goes the hose. Like that. And then sometimes at home, I just take my hose and hang it like that. It's all ready to roll. So I got rid of this ugly thing. Doesn't that look so much better? Thanks for watching, everyone.